99% of the individual inventors mess up with their inventions with a great expectation and getting nothing in return. They fail to generate a single penny from their invention. They fail to attract a single customer or even license their patent application to any entity. This is because they have false expectation, false idea of patenting, and they don't have a correct strategy which they can utilize the true potential of this patenting system. Or they want to start a startup which can be sold to a bigger company. By R&D and patenting, you can definitely do it. But the problem is there is lack of correct understanding of the patenting system. Before investing a single penny, join my class to understand what value patent can add to the valuation of your company, how patents can increase protection of your invention, how patents can increase valuation of your company. To understand the correct potential of patent and to utilize it to its fullest potential, I am Suneet Sabale, a mechanical engineer, a patent consultant, and a patent agent, having 15 years of experience and have worked with more than 1,000 inventors globally. So with this experience, I can bring up to you a strategy that can help you generate money. See you there.